As usual, we start the speed test with both the phones in airplane mode with no apps running in the background and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I know that these two smartphones aren't really competitors, and any person buying either phone may not even consider buying the other. But it just seemed interesting to compare the two since the Realme one was doing really well in the speed test and kind of slaying many smartphones which on their own were powerful too. The Realme one is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor, while the P20 Pro gets a Kirin 970 chipset, which is also an octa-core chipset. The Realme one has 4GB of RAM, while the P20 Pro comes with 6GB of RAM. The Realme one has 3 and 6GB variants too, but in this test we are comparing the 4GB variant. To our surprise, the Realme 1 finished first with a lap time of 1 minute and 47 seconds compared to the P20 Pro that did the same in 2 minutes and 11 seconds. The Facebook app seemed to have a bug which caused it to be stuck on the blue screen for around 14 to 15 seconds and a further 3 seconds to load after that. Nonetheless, if this was just the 2 or 3 second loading time, the P20 Pro would have still finished second itself. In lap 2, we test the RAM management and ability of the phone to redraw apps from memory, so we reopen them in the reverse order. The Realme 1 completes the speed test with a total time of 2 minutes and 14 seconds compared to a P20 Pro which takes 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Even if you subtract the 15 seconds of delay on the Facebook app, it would still give the Realme 1 a lead of 4 seconds, and that is surprising. Please do note that these tests mainly check the app launching times and RAM management skills when reopening the apps and games. The actual gaming experience and processor performance when handling heavy tasks might be a totally different story, and the P20 Pro will most definitely have a big lead there. Nonetheless, the results are very interesting and we thought of sharing it with you guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.